4 minutes, I'll show you why, despite popular belief, gum disease, tooth decay, and even bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is.
But with dangerous bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and creating deadly complications for your eyes, throat, heart, and lungs. And no matter what your dentist tells you, not even the most advanced cleaning treatments can destroy all these bacteria that are lurking behind the scenes inside your mouth, even when your teeth seem fine.
So stay with me, and starting today, your dental problems will be a thing of the past.
You won't need to go to the dentist for terrifying procedures anymore. And you won't be faced with embarrassing situations like I was. Because you'll finally have the power to get rid of bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath once and for all. And you can do this right now in your own home, and it takes less than 30 seconds.
In this video, I'll teach you an incredibly powerful and proven trick that you can use regardless of your age, medical condition, or the severity of your tooth decay.
Without you having to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on endless dental treatments, dangerous medications, risky surgeries, or implants. In fact, this trick is so amazing. Many experts called it the magical key to rejuvenating your gums and teeth.
And I know how impossible this sounds, especially if you've been suffering from tooth problems, thinking that there's no escape whatsoever. But you'll convince yourself how powerful this trick is in just a few minutes. So, stay with me a while longer.
And before you spend all of your savings on implants, surgeries, and dental reconstruction techniques, please watch this video until the end, because I'll tell you a few things that doctors are hiding from you. The first thing you should know is that any implant placed on top of gums suffocated by hidden bacteria is guaranteed to fail after a certain time. I'll prove it to you. That's why implants are not the solution. Today you'll be able to save your teeth and smile with confidence once again without needing your dentist to do so. Just imagine, no more inflamed bleeding gums or bad breath, no more dental infections, no more pain or stuffing yourself with medications, hoping the pulsating tooth agony would stop just for 1 second, not having to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed anymore, eating whatever you want, whenever you want, talking, smiling, and being proud of your teeth, just like more than 32,000 other people did. People like,
my gums were red, swollen, and bleeding every time I brushed. I had bad breath and my teeth were yellow. In just 30 seconds a day, I got rid of all these problems. My gums are now clean and healthy, and my teeth seem whiter than before. This ritual really works, and the results are quick.
For more than 3 years, I had vicious saliva, an unpleasant smell in my mouth, and my gums seemed to recede. I went to the dentist, tried scaling, and nothing changed. Even worse, a tooth fell out. My wife heard about your solution and asked me to try it too. She was right. Today, my teeth are stronger than ever. My gums have recovered, and the bad smell has disappeared. Thank God I found this method.
these people and 32,000 more just like them have all been freed from the nightmare of dental problems using a simple trick, without side effects and 100% naturally, which I'll share with you in just a few seconds. But before I do, I want to tell you about my own battle with dental problems.
Hi there, my name is Daniel Moore, and I'm 54 years old, and I live in Pennsylvania with my wife, Nina.
Nina and I are high school lovers and a typical American family. We were so proud of our 27-year-old son, David, as he was about to marry Christine. Obviously, we were excited to help them plan their wedding.
Now, I've been an ambulance driver for the past 25 years, and I know how important it is to ensure proper medical assistance at the right time. I've always been ready to help when people from our community needed me, and I have to confess that it's not an easy job.